runs through Santa's Christmas village. Just a little engine painted red and green. There's a car for candy canes and another one for toys. That'll all be ready Christmas Eve for all the girls and boys. Making lots of stops in Santa's Christmas village. Picking up the busy people in the town. From the highest hill around, all across the snowy plain, you can hear the whistle of the Christmas train. Riding along the streets of Christmas Town. There's a lot to see, just look around.